burp. Hi guys, I wanted to do the no burp challenge, so I have my Sprite here, and I think you're supposed to drink the whole thing without burping, so let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my god, y'all, my stomach. Y'all cheer me on, come on. I'm halfway there, I haven't burped yet. Okay, y'all ready? Alright, so I'm gonna say this. At the very end, I might have to burp, so I'm gonna let you guys know in advance. Let me stop talking before it comes up. Hold on. Okay, let me go ahead and finish before I burp. I'm going. Y'all, if y'all can hear my stomach right now. Okay, hold on. Almost there. Y'all have got to give me like a thumbs up right now for me to make it, for me making it this way, like this far, without burping. Like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. If I finish, y'all have got to subscribe, okay? Because your girl gonna do this. Still haven't burped yet. Well, look like I failed that challenge, y'all. So, since I made it this far, you say what? You want to get in? You are going to mess up my video. I know you don't care. Alright, you guys, so I did not finish the... He messed up my video. Okay, so I didn't finish the no burp challenge. He is still trying to mess my video up. What? This is why I tried to record it in my van, but he called me and was like, bring me a soda. So here I am, you guys. I didn't finish. He messed it up for me, so y'all can blame it on him, but go ahead and still give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.